on a Saturday morning in May when we got Stuart and Bob and Kevin and the boys and the scissor lift. And Mark's got his truck full of roofing, and we're gonna roof.
Yeah, let me get you some fat.
Adam's there too.
What else we got? How you doing, dude? Better than I deserve. Dude, man. Are you ready? Are we ready? What else? Anything else? Yeah, man. Whoa! How do I open the door? What door? This is the only way in and out?
Yeah.
Is that what you were telling me when we were down there?
Yeah, that's what I tried to tell you.
All right. Alrighty, Rash.
I did. I had to. Yeah.
Mr. Greg, how are you? I know, me too. Oh, he's stuck.
Come. You gotta hit the toggle switch.
I'll race you for pinks. I win. Alright, you're good. Don't run me over.
30 hours overtime in 9 days.
30 hours?
Okay. Well,
That's a lot.
You got a little farther. You got some brake saddle stock.
Stew my.
one way to shake the buckets.
Well, Tommy's here.
So he's got his liquid death. Alright.
Oh, it's a mess. Should be good right We don't even have a roof.
Everybody falls in.
Yeah.
It hasn't leaked.
Okay.
All right, I'll go over there and get the rest. All right, so.
This is how men fellowship. Right, Adam?
What's that?
I said this is how men fellowship.
Oh yeah.
Fixing the roof.
Yeah, it's
Stuart, you making progress?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, I know the wise figured that we wouldn't leave ourselves a way out, but we did.
Huh?
That's right. You can comment.
No comment. I was just wondering who you're talking to.
Myself.
your boots.
Oh no,
You can't touch
Well,
those boots up.
these are old.
9:20 and the roof is almost done.
And then he high sticked me.
Guys.
I mean, I don't.
All right, Stuart, you're the last man standing.
Yeah.
Finish her up. And the roof is done.